Okay, so once again, good morning, students. So yesterday we were discussing about the nervous system. So see, I think we have attended. So till where I've completed, do you remember? Me? Do you remember?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, let's start from here itself. Brain. Means as far as I remembered, we discussed till the interneurons. So let us start from here, no? So this is the brain. So what is a brain? The brain is what the center of our thoughts. Whatever we think, right from the time we get up and the time we sleep, even till during the sleep time also it's still functioning, but still I'm just telling it to you. So brain is what the center of our thoughts. Whatever we think, no, like it is the center, all right, and it interprets like we understand whatever is going around us, as well as it is. Means internally as well as externally, and they also control our body movement. However we move our body, no? Like the brain, they controls it. And what is the weight of the brain? The weight of the brain is 1300 to 1400 grams. And let us discuss about the parts. So the first part is cerebrum. This is the cerebrum. The second part is the diencephalon. So in the diencephalon, you will be getting thalamus. First, let us see hypothalamus, then thalamus, right? And uh, we will be also sorry. The third point is the brainstem. So under the brainstem, you will find this one midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. And in the fourth part, you will find the cerebellum. Don't get confused, huh? Cerebrum. The larger part is the cerebrum, and the bottom one is the cerebellum. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me then if it is clear the parts of the brain? Uh, me tell me the parts of the brain. Me tell us the part of the brain.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell us the part of the brain.
Cerebrum, ma'am.
Continue.
Cerebrum. Number one is cerebrum. Number two is diencephalon. Number three is brainstem.
Okay, under the encephalon, can you name them? What is there?
Hypothalamus and thalamus and thalamus
Hmm.
and pineal gland.
No, no, not gland. You forgot or what? Just now I said, no?
Thalamus, hypothalamus.
Wait. Say this and say. Say this. Just read it out. But you have to say it. Read it out.
The part are cerebrum, diencephalon, hypothalamus, thalamus, pineal gland,
Just now
part
I
of
said it's not. Okay, continue.
number four
Number
is
three. Number three. You say number. Yes, you just give the answer and say it.
brain,
Number.
midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata. Number four is cerebellum.
Okay, don't stammer. Huh? Like I don't want you all to stammer. I just want you all to just speak fluently because the answer is right. The answer is already right in front of your face. You can just see it. So please don't stammer. Okay. You can mute yourself. Okay, next is let us discuss about the cerebrum. So the cerebrum, it is the largest part of the brain. From the picture itself also you can just see it is the largest part, and it has got two hemispheres, that is the right and the left hemispheres. And in this cerebrum, what will you find? Like you will find like they perform some higher functions. Some higher functions like what? Higher functions like interpreting touch. Interpreting touch means to say like if you touch something, you will be able to just know that particular object or that particular thing what you are touching is. And next is vision. You can also see with the help of the cerebrum. It means vision, all right. And hearing, you can also hear the different kinds of sound or voice with the help of the cerebrum, and as well as speech. So, like even in terms of speaking, also like the cerebrum helps even doing that. Next is reasoning, like like if you do something, that particular thing, like you are doing that particular thing for some purpose, no, for some reason. So the cerebrum they help you in reasoning those things. Next is emotions. They also control your emotions like happy, sad, all those things. Next is learning. You can also the learning process, no? Like the things which you learn every day, the day-to-day life. So the cerebrum helps you in doing that. And fine control of movement means you can also do the physical activities which you does every day because of the help of the cerebrum. Is it clear, everyone, about the
Yes,
cerebrum?
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
will you be able to say, Virgishri, will you be able, क्या तुम बोल पाओगे cerebrum के बारे में? अच्छा बोलो, बोलो तो cerebrum के बारे में.
It is the largest part of the brain.
Okay.
It is composed of right and left hemispheres.
Mm-hmm.
Its some functions like perceiving, task, visions, and hearing,
Then
as
hearing,
well as
as well as
speech, reason,
as well as what?
and speech, space, speech,
Oh, speech. Okay.
reasoning, emission, learning, and fine control of
Fine control of movement, na?
movement.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, next, we will discuss about the cerebellum, this one, which is at the bottom. And the cerebellum, it is located under the cerebrum. So this is the cerebrum, na? So it is located under this, just beneath this, I mean, just below this, underneath. And what is the function of the cerebellum? The function of the cerebellum is they coordinate muscles. Means when you move your body, say for example, you are taking a step, like you are walking. So how will you walk? You will be walking like right, left, left, right, left, right. Isn't it? So in that way, like they coordinate. They coordinate like that, and maintain posture and balance means the cerebellum, na? It helps you in maintaining your posture. Like when you sit, when you stand, means any posture, whatever you do. So they help you in maintaining the posture. They not only maintain your posture, they also balance it. Like say for example, you are standing. You are standing in one leg. Sometimes you does na like when you does yoga or something like that, some exercise. So when you stand in one leg, what happens? They will help you in balancing your your posture. So the cerebellum also they take a part in this kind of thing. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then who will tell me about cerebellum? Okay, Dheeraj Kumar Kalita, please tell us about the cerebellum. Just now we have discussed, na? Dheeraj Kumar Kalita.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell us about the cerebellum. Yes, Dheeraj, please tell us. Please tell us. Yeah, yes, Dheeraj, what happened? Say. Dheeraj, what happened? Dheeraj,
Yes, ma'am.
say. We are waiting for your answer.
Posture.
Posture. Okay, where does it lie, the cerebellum? Where it is exactly located? Where it is exactly located? Sir?
Lower part.
Lower part of
Brain.
brain. Okay, which part? It has got different parts, no? The brain also. So which part?
Roll part.
I know the lower part, but the brain is divided into different parts, no? That is cerebrum, diencephalon, brainstem. Not it. So this cerebellum, it is located under the lower part of what? I mean, what is the name of that? Did you understand my question? Did you understand my question?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, let me repeat again. Do you understand English? Or I'll speak in Hindi.
Ma'am, Hindi.
हिंदी अच्छा तो ये ब्रेन पे ना अनेक अनेक पार्ट्स है ठीक है तो जो मतलब एक है सेरेब्रम ठीक है उसका नाम है सेरेब्रम दूसरा नाम है डायनसिफेलॉन तो डायनसिफेलॉन के अंदर दो पार्ट्स आएगा वो है हाइपोथैलेमस है और दूसरा है थैलेमस और तीसरा पार्ट क्या है तीसरा पार्ट का ब्रेन क्या है उसका नाम है ब्रेन स्टेम और ब्रेन स्टेम के अंदर में तीन फिर से तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है ठीक है वो है मिड ब्रेन पॉन्स और मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा ठीक है तो मैं सेरेबेलम के बारे में पूछ रही थी ये सेरेबेलम तो ये सेरेबेलम कहाँ पे है कहाँ पे मौजूद है अभी समझ में आया अभी समझ में आया कि नहीं या अभी भी नहीं आ रहा है हाँ धीरज धीरज हाँ हाँ
ठीक से नहीं आया
क्या क्या
ठीक से नहीं आया
ठीक से नहीं आया अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है मैं बोल देती हूँ ये सेरेब्रलम देखा है ये सेरेबेलम में रेड कलर,
हाँ
हाँ लाल रंग में मैंने लाइन मतलब अंडरलाइन किया है, देखा है ना सेरेबेलम।
हाँ
अच्छा, तो ये सेरेबेलम कहाँ पे मौजूद है? ये सेरेब्रम देखा है? देखा है या नहीं? हाँ, अरे बोलो हाँ या ना। सेरेब्रम, ये जो मैंने अंडरलाइन किया है ना, दिखाई दे रहा है कि नहीं धीरज?
दिखाई दे रहा है।
हाँ वही पूछ रही थी। अच्छा, तो ये सेरेब्रम, सेरेब्रम है ना, ये सबसे ऊपर में है हम लोग का दिमाग में, मतलब ब्रेन में सबसे ऊपर में मौजूद है, ठीक है। तो ये सेरेबेलम सेरेब्रम के नीचे में मौजूद है। समझ में आया अभी?
हाँ
ठीक है, पीछे में कुछ आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है मुझे, कौन है?
मेरा दीदी है।
अच्छा, दीदी के साथ क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो?
यस मैम, मुझे ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है।
वो मने दीदी मदद कर रहा है तुम्हारा? हाँ,
क्लास में।
अच्छा ठीक है। अच्छा, ये जो सेरेब्रम है ना, ये सबसे ऊपर में रहता है और सबसे मतलब लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन है, मतलब सबसे बड़ा है ब्रेन का पार्ट में, ये सबसे बड़ा पार्ट है, वो है सेरेब्रम। ठीक है, समझ में आया अभी?
हाँ
मत भूलना। और ये सेरेब्रम का काम क्या है? सेरेब्रम का काम है, इट्स फंक्शन इज टू कोऑर्डिनेट मसल मूवमेंट। मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ। सपोज तुम मान लेना तुम चल रहे हो, तो कैसे चलते हो? दाएं बाएं है कि नहीं? ऐसा नहीं कि दाएं 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 ऐसे करके चलते हो, है कि नहीं नीरज? तुम कैसे चलते हो? सिर्फ एक साइड से चलते हो या दोनों साइड में मतलब चलते हो?
दोनों साइड।
हाँ दोनों साइड। तो वो उसको क्या बोला जाता है? कोऑर्डिनेशन, मतलब एक साथ काम करना, ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ मसल। समझ में आया?
हाँ
हाँ, कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ मसल मूवमेंट मतलब एक साथ काम करना, उसको बोलते हैं। और एक क्या है? मेंटेन पोस्चर एंड बैलेंस। मेंटेन पोस्चर एंड बैलेंस का मतलब मान लेना तुम बैठ रहे हो, अभी तुम बैठ रहे हो शायद, आई गेस।
हाँ
हाँ, तो तुम उस पोजीशन में कैसे मतलब रह सकते हो? तो उस पोजीशन में तुम कैसे अपने आप को बैलेंस कर सकते हो? सेरेब्रम की मदद की वजह से तुम वो सब करतब ना, वो सब तुम कर सकते हो। ठीक है, समझ में आया अभी?
हाँ
हाँ, जो तुम रोज ना तो तुम करतब करते हो, जैसे कि बैठना, उठना, चलना वगैरह, वो सब तुम कैसे कर सकते हो? ये सब ये सेरेबेलम की मदद की वजह से वो सब करतब तुम कर सकते हो। ठीक है, अभी समझ में आया सेरेबेलम?
हाँ।
याद रखोगे ना?
यस मैम।
अच्छा, मैं कई दिन एक बार पूछूंगी तुम्हें क्लास में, अभी तो तुम लोग आओगे ना क्लास में, तो मैं मतलब मैं आशा करती हूँ कि तुम मतलब तुम जवाब दे पाओ। ठीक है, ठीक है धीरज?
ठीक है मैम।
अच्छा ठीक है। Okay, now let us discuss about the brainstem. Okay, so this is the brainstem. What is the brainstem? They act as a relay sensor. Relay sensor means what to say, like the connection in between the cerebrum and the cerebellum. It means that, huh? They are like the middle point. You can say that, and they connect to the what? They connect to the spinal cord. This is the spinal cord, na? So they will connect to the spinal cord, and this the brainstem, it has got different functions, like automatic functions. Say for example, breathe. You breathe in and out, not it. So you can perform all those because of this brainstem. And heart rate, like your cardiovascular system, it's working automatically because of the brainstem. Then body temperature, you can't control it, and wake and sleep cycle, all this also you can't control it. Just happen. It just happens. And digestion, like your gastrointestinal tract, all this digest. Even your digestion also, like whenever you eat something and you chew, and when as soon as it enters inside your, I mean inside you, they just perform their function automatically. You doesn't go, you don't need to go and say like, oh, you need to do this, you need to do that. No, they just perform, their own function automatically. All right. So and sneezing and coughing, then vomiting, swallowing, means all these automatic things, whatever it just happens automatically, they are controlled by the brainstem. With the help of the brainstem, you can perform all these activities. Is it clear, everyone, about the brainstem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please don't forget, huh? Okay, pituitary gland, I won't discuss because it's already in your endocrine system, so I won't discuss. Okay, so hypothalamus, let us discuss about this. So hypothalamus, it is an organ which connects your endocrine system and which also deals with your nervous system as well. And what is the main job? What is the main job of this hypothalamus? The main job is to tell your pituitary gland to start or stop making hormones. Means what? The hypothalamus gland, they are like the master gland, you can say like that. And they go and instruct the other glands, like when to stop making hormones, whether it's too over or not, or whether it's, I mean, what to say, so that it will remain balanced. All right, means the amount of job, whatever the other glands are going and supplying, all those are everything in balance or not. So the hypothalamus, they helps you in doing all those things. Is it clear about the hypothalamus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will discuss till here, no? We will discuss till here for today. Okay, then thank you everyone.